Thanks for your interest in learning just a little more about our answer to wetting agents for professional growers. When we add UpTake PRO to your irrigation water, we can dramatically change just how well your water works in rehydrating any of today's more sophisticated growing medias. Is it possible that your soil includes substrates that can be described as having hydrophobic tendencies? When water is properly treated with UpTake PRO, we have evidence that less water is needed to recharge your soil with its capacity to be uniformly wetted. Growers employ a range of irrigation delivery systems and techniques. We invite you to compare the uniformity of your roots when drip delivery systems are in place. We bet that your plants that are irrigated with water charged with UpTake PRO will have more uniform roots that fill the entire container because there is simply less channeling. When growing in artificial media like rock wool, a wetting agent like UpTake PRO can check a number of boxes, all of which result in more uniform water distribution in the limited rooting area. In each case, when using UpTake PRO as a wetting agent with irrigation water, you'll be surprised at how little is needed to change the behavior of your water, no matter the source. Is a constant injection technique or an intermittent technique the best answer for your crop? Reach out to a PACE 49 representative to discuss options to optimize your cost to benefit scenario. When growing in an NFT hydroponic system, more uniform media wetting can result in improved cell water uniformity. This can result in allowing the media surface to uniformly dry between irrigation events. Why does this make a difference? Many forms of adverse biology thrive on surfaces that remain moist. By breaking this cycle, we can reduce the contamination that can occur on the surface. When irrigating with booms, growers can have confidence that the irrigation will penetrate the drier crust that can occur on the soil surface to uniformly penetrate the soil. This can make a pronounced impact on some crops that are susceptible to variability in drying between irrigation cycles. You'll see the difference in side-by-side comparisons. Also, when employing sub-irrigation techniques like cascading floors, you may find that the surface dries faster after a flood event. Dry surfaces are less susceptible to the development of adverse biology. This adverse biology can compromise your crops. We've spoken about how treated water can improve the efficiency of wetting your root environment. By reducing the surface tension of water, we can also reduce the free moisture on your crop canopy. This can be a factor in preventing infection when your crop is most susceptible, like immediately before shipping or in stages associated with rooting. Thanks for your interest in learning more about this often overlooked tool in the category of wetting agents. We encourage you to get your hands on UpTake PRO and see for yourself how easy it is to work with and how much of an impact it can make in creating the most uniform and predictable crops.